1, 2, 3. You need more practice, okay? You need more practice. You did well. You did many good things today.
I'm getting more smarter because I'm like this one. Look, I do this when I color. I do this.
Yeah.
Like my cousin, the girl class. No, my cousin is. What was her name again? I forgot.
Who? Where? In Australia?
Yeah, my cousin, the one.
Naila May?
Yeah, she's good at coloring like me. I do this.
But do you know your Filipino cousins like Raj and other kids there in Nana Eden's house? Your Filipino cousins?
No.
They're not good in coloring, but they are very good in swimming. They can backflip. They can climb the taller trees because that's their practice.
But is my daddy stronger than him?
Yeah, of course. But but those kids, because they're exposed outside, they can swim in the ocean, deep ocean,
But
and then they can do backflips, and then they can climb the tall trees.
wait,
It's their training because of their environment.
but am I actually smarter than them?
Probably, but being smart is one. Learning how to use your body in doing those things is another. So you need to balance both, Nitro. 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 I'm still telling you something. You need to be smarter versus yourself, and you need to learn how to be stronger too. Like learn how to what you did today. Yeah? That's being smart and then being strong. And later on you will learn how to climb the tree. You will learn how to swim in the ocean. You want to learn to swim?
Yeah.
It will go when you grow older.
Do you always learn to swim?
We are it's very helpful for us to survive because there would be times when we need to float. Even if you don't know how to swim, at least you know how to float and to paddle
Wait,
to
but
safety.
I only do the armor for the swimming pool so you don't sink and you get dead.
Yeah. Because you're still a baby, a big baby, you have to wear a life jacket. Ulo! Gikalasan ako. A life jacket. You know what's a life jacket?
I don't know.
That's a jacket you wear in the water so you can float. So the shark won't get you like this. Ba-bam! Ba-bam! On your kili-kili. Ba-bam! I was gonna bite you. Uray pa nga ni. Uray pa nga ni. Ow. It's gonna bite you. Huh? Ooh. Oh.
How do you do a perfect sound like a